Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. We're going to continue the pouring of concrete. I got 600 pounds of concrete here in the bucket. I only mix 50 pounds because, well, I can't lift the 60s anymore. Sucks getting old, I tell you what. So, I got 12 bags of concrete in here. Got the cement mixer set up. Already brushed my bonding agent around the surface where I'm actually going to bond this concrete to. So, without further ado, let me find my knife here and get this concrete mixed up. We're using the old Harbor Freight cement mixer. Since my other one died, it's been my lifesaver. It does have one problem. When you flip the switch, it don't do anything. You have to get it fixed. You're mixing 2 bags at a time. See how it's mixing? That is just about the right consistency that I need to start the pour. Turn the thing off. Now, if you notice, I have a light switch on there. The original switch went bad, and you couldn't get another one. I don't understand it. This is going to be heavy. So to control how it goes in the bucket, I use a trowel. Hey guys, this is going to be one heavy bucket. Now I'm going to move you over close to where I'm going to be putting it. I just hope the handle don't break in my bucket. Oh my God. I tell you what, wouldn't be for this kennel in the way. Ugh. I'll be able to put the mixer next to it and pour. Okay. I want to try to get it packed up against the concrete slab as much as possible. I like to start in one place and work my way back. Okay, so that is one 50-pound bag. Now this concrete footer, the depth is about close to 5.5 inches. So I'm going to mix up the rest of this, and I'll bring you back and show you when I get past the point of this line. That's where a piece of rebar and a hammer is going to come into mine. So we'll be right back. So just hold on. Hope you can hear me. I'm about 6 bags in. Now, like I said, there's something that I need to do. The column is going to be right here. So, I wanted to wait until this got poured. Get this thing right in the middle. We're going to use the ground to use it. Hold it in. I got to do this 3 more times. So, when we get back, we'll have most of this poured. Now this is something that you just can't stop and do it. You have to continue. There you have it, guys. Got it all done. Took 12 bags. That is 10 inches wide, 5.5 inches thick, and I went 15 feet. So that's going to be it for this video. So now we wait. I got to wait about 4 weeks for that to fully cure. I might be able to put the block in 3. I'm going to have to wait a whole month before I can put that doghouse roof on. But in the meantime, there's other things to do here on the homestead, and I hope that you stay tuned for each and every one of them. And I'll see you here next time in Lynn's Homestead. You have an awesome day. God bless.